We all need to travel more. Just get outside and explore, because once you get out that door, you're going to see that there's a lot more right next door. Once you get outside of your environment, you'll see that there's other people with different mindsets, and it's going to help you expand your mind because they'll allow you to have a new perspective. And as they say, we're products of our environment. So just by simply changing your environment, it's going to allow you to grow. Traveling was the greatest gift my mother could ever give to us because it allows us to expand our minds and understand that there's more to life than what's in our backyard. Cause I find me bond, but I know y'all some girl. I doubt you know. You see, when you're bilingual, it's gonna make the ladies want to mingle, especially if you're single. That's cap. They don't care about that. They just really want you to beat up the cootie cat. But honestly, there's so much out there for you to experience. You just have to take that first trip. After that, you'll be hooked. And the thing is, when you first start traveling, it may be for pleasure, but in the future, it needs to be for a purpose so that you can have pleasure while you're fulfilling your purpose while you're on this surface. And that way your service will never be nervous because you'll be flourishing and you won't have to do any type of extortion. But for real though, just go ahead and book a flight and get right because I got to go. I'll be traveling to a nice space and it's the proper place. So let's get up out of here.
So we're on the way to the airport and I'm grooving while I'm moving. We en route without a doubt, and I'm not even looking for no clout. So I'm just going around a roundabout.
Gotta return to Rennie.
It's a bird. No, you're insane. I think that's actually just the plane. I'll be flying on Southwest because that's the best when you're flying to the west side of Jamaica. You get to pick any seat so no one will have to stand on their feet, and you get 2 free check bags. And we have arrived.
Here we go. Oh, we're returning to Rennie. Don't scratch them. Don't scratch them. We're going crazy.
And it has a full tank of gas, so I won't be paying any extra cash.
Check in.
They've been empty, but I'm still going through clear.
Nice and easy.
We're about to depart and we didn't get off to a good start. We left late, so I had to wait. But it doesn't even matter because right now we're crossing over Cuba on the way to Jamaica. And once we get there, life will be great. Just look at it. The views are breathtaking already. If this is a place that you haven't been, then that's just a sin because once you land, there won't be any reason for you to grin. And I got to say, I was very impressed this time around. They done implemented some new technology that makes the whole process smooth and efficient. The change is taking place at a rapid pace and it's right in your face. A lot of people like to talk about Jamaica this, Jamaica that, but Devna Siwagwan, just 2 years ago before I decided to move here, it took me an hour to get through immigration, and today it took about 5 minutes. But it did take a while for me to get my bag, but I found the right tag. And then the bus overheated. Have you seen how fast the people got up off that bus? But luckily, we were able to get on another one. So we got back on the road. And you best believe I'm happy to be back. That's a fact. I came here to complete the mission so that I could put my family in a better position. I'm trying something new, so I made this for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post. See you later!